Minecraft, #1 on trending.
Did you see this?
17 million views.
Yeah.
Minecraft, which Spider-Man looked the best? And it's a YouTube short. #1 on trending?
Mm-hmm.
Get out of town. No, I didn't see it. I didn't watch it. 19 seconds long.
There's copyright music, but basically this guy is building, or this person's building like different versions of Spider-Man in Minecraft.
Yeah.
And they're rating it. And it's a super short video, and that's it. That's the whole short.
Whoa.
17 million views.
Okay,
Trending #1.
So it's obviously cool, the Minecraft things that they're making, but why 17 million cool? We're missing something for sure. We're definitely out of the loop here.
Okay, yeah. What do you think it is? I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
I don't even know if they made this. This could be like
a clip. Go to the channel, TWI Shorts. Go to the channel. Is it all Minecraft related? 1.8 million. Yeah, I guess it's all Minecraft related.
But I mean, like, did they actually make this? They could import it into they can import like a picture, and then like it could be like a Minecraft block kind of thing.
Sure.
But the idea of it is like, wow.
I think people...
Now it's at 18 million. It's at 18 million views.
Yeah, 18.6. Definitely there's a kind of goal-oriented aspect. I think people could watch it and be like, hey, that's hard to do. If like you said, if it's actually a thing that each one was built, like each one might take.
Right.
I think people like to see tremendous progression condensed, like time-lapse type of effect.
Mm-hmm. Like cleaning videos.
That would have taken hours, but I got to see it in 19 seconds.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, man, this one's definitely over my head. Did chat say anything why this has 20 million views? Any insights over there? They're got to be just as confused as us, right? Minecraft. How about Minecraft's ability to hang in there, though? My goodness, Minecraft has been the thing and been pulling views on YouTube now for, and obviously people still playing the game. It speaks to how
fandom,
well, but also how the game is constantly reinvented because of the inherent creativity inside of it, that you can kind of make it what you want, and because of that, it becomes a new thing. It kind of keeps coming up.
Mm-hmm. It's like the open source concept. Kind of like Roblox or GTA. Like you kind of have a base framework that anyone can kind of mod.
When we in the past have referred to it as an OS.
Yeah.
That games that are open-ended enough can become an OS for all types of other happenings.
Sure.
They can become the platform for the happenings.
Yeah. All right, last one.
Oh, a nice little fun one. This is just so Mo can just relax because he was stressed on that one. Man, I never saw him like that before. He was just curling up into a ball.
Yeah, we got to have more fun stories.
He was curling up into a ball. No, don't worry, man. I got you. I wasn't
expecting that myself.
I got you, Mo. Like, I don't know what's going to happen to you after this.
Yeah.
What you just
This
did.
is my last show.
But as far as for the rest of the day today, let's go out on this note.